Hi guys, welcome to our video on emergency flood repairs. Floods can be devastating, causing significant damage to your home and property, but with the right knowledge and preparation, you can minimize the damage and restore your property to its original state. In this video, we will be sharing everything you need to know about emergency flood repair from protecting your home during a flood to restoring your property after the water recede. Floods are one of the most common and costly natural disasters in the United States. From heavy rainfall to hurricanes and snow melt, there are many ways that floods can occur, and when they do, they can cause significant damage to your home and property. Water damage can be costly and time consuming to repair, and it not dealt with quickly. It can lead to mold growth and other health hazards. So, what can you do to protect your home during a flood? The first step to the prepared. Have a plan in place for what you will do if a flood is imminent, and make sure that you have the necessary supplies on hand, such as sandbags, plywood, and plastic sheeting. You should also have an emergency kit ready with essentials such as food, water, first aid supplies, and flashlights. If a flood is imminent, there are several steps you can take to protect your home. First, turn off the electricity and gas to your home to prevent electrocution and fire. If you have time, move to valuable to higher ground or to a safe place, and cover your furniture and other belongings with plastic to protect them for the water damage. Once the flood water recede, the real work begins. It is important to act quickly to mitigate the damage and prevent mold growth. The first step is to remove any standing water from your home. You can use pumps or wet dry vacuums to do this, but be sure to water protective gear such as gloves, goggles, and boots to prevent injury. Next, you will need to dry out your home. This can be done with fans, dehumidifiers, and open windows and doors. It may take several days or even weeks to completely dry out your home, depending on the extent of the damage. Once your home is dry, you can begin the restoration process. This may involve removing damaged drywall, insulation, and flooring, and replacing them with new material. You may also need to hire a professional help with the mold remediation of structural repair. Thank you for watching our video on emergency flood repair. We hope that you have found this information helpful and that it will enable to you protect your home and property in the event of a flood. Remember, begin prepared and acting quickly are key to minimizing the damage and restoring your property to its original state. Do not forget to subscribe our channel for more helpful tips and information on home repair and restoration. Thank you.